bacon, mac, and cheese. I don't even have to say anything else. You know what time it is. We are making some super cheesy, ooey gooey bacon mac and cheese, guys. Super easy, super delicious. I know you see the screen right now. We are not playing. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think. And let's get started. To begin, you want to get your elbow pasta out the way. Get that going and cooking. Follow the directions on the box. We're using about 8 ounces of elbow pasta. Once it's cooked, you want to go ahead and drain it and then run some cold water over it so it stops the cooking process. And you want to set that onto the side so we can move on to that cheese sauce. We have our pan here to about a medium. We're going to throw that unsalted butter up in there, as well as 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Get that all mixed up and well combined, guys. And on the screen, you're gonna have a list of every single ingredient pop up as I use them. Guys, this recipe is so good. I cannot wait for you to try it. Now we're gonna add in the whole milk. We're gonna be using 2 cups. I kind of only added half in the beginning and then half later, but you can just put it all at once. Add the whole 2 cups right then and there. Get everything nice and mixed up. Swirl it around. Get all of those lumps out of there. Now we're gonna add our cheese blend. We're using Monterey Jack as well as sharp cheddar. You're gonna be using a total of 8 ounces for each of those. And you're gonna get those in the pot, get it all mixed up and melted, getting all ooey gooey and sticky and also beautiful. Once you have it all mixed up, you should get a consistency just like the one that you see on the screen. Oh my goodness, that cheese, wow, looks so good, guys. Now we're gonna add in some dry ingredients to have that thing seasoned up right. You know how we do. We got to season up that, whatever we cooking, we got to season it up to perfection, yo. You know how we do. We don't play no games in this kitchen. So you're going to add those ingredients on the list. And we cannot forget the most important ingredient, that bacon. This is about 8 strips of bacon, guys. We cooked 8 strips of bacon, chopped them up nice and fine, and we're going to throw it all up in that cheese sauce. Get it all mixed up, guys. Oh my. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. Now that we have all that combined, we're gonna grab our elbows that are already fully cooked, just waiting for us, and we're gonna toss them in that cheese sauce and give it a nice little mix. Get that wrist working. Know what I'm talking about? Get that wrist spinning, twirling around, get that all mixed up, well combined. Oh my goodness. Does this look good or what? At this point, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Grab your baking pan. I'm gonna spray mine down with some non-stick spray just like so, and we're gonna grab our ooey gooey bacon mac and cheese and get it all up in there, guys. Don't be shy. Get that mac and cheese all up in there. Look how sticky that mac and cheese is. You see the little bits of bacon up in there? Wow, guys. I'm telling you, I cannot wait for you guys to try this. You are going to love it. Hitting you with another double take recipe. They're gonna look at you once, look at you twice, like where this food done came from, because I know you ain't make it, but you sure did. It's so easy, guys. Once we have our mac and cheese up in there, we're gonna go even more crazy and drop some more cheese up in there. We're gonna grab another 8 ounces of each of those cheeses and pile them right on top. Grab some aluminum foil, cover it up, bake it covered at 350 for 30 minutes, then uncovered for 10 minutes. Just like so. You're gonna see me uncover it. You're gonna see that bubble going. Oh my, it looks so good. So this is after 30 minutes. I uncover it, bake it for another 10 minutes. Once that 10 minutes is up, you want to go ahead and get your oven on broil and keep your eye on it. You're gonna broil it until it's nice and golden brown, looking like this. If it ain't looking like this, send it back to the kitchen, guys, because something is absolutely wrong. But yeah, guys, this is the end result. Tell me this does not look absolutely delicious. This is gonna be the best mac and cheese you have ever tasted in your life, guys. Your taste buds is gonna be jumping around like what is going on? They have never tasted this level of flavor before. Your boy got you. I'm telling you right now, this is so easy. You've seen it. Go ahead and knock this out in the kitchen. Let me know how you liked it. I really hope all you guys enjoyed this video. Leave your boy a like. Don't forget to do that. And I will see you guys on the next video.